Hey everybody, welcome to another episode here of VW Life. Gary here with Jake. Jake, how you doing, buddy?
I'm all right. I'm ready to sell this van again.
Oh, Seaside Vanagon, getting ready to go bye-bye, getting ready to go for sale. So what we're doing today for you guys is, this is for everybody, not just Volkswagen people. There's a lot, Jake, we've seen this before. When people are trying to, when cars that we go out and look at and look at postings and pictures and stuff like that.
I love when they're dirty because that means that person doesn't know how to sell a car.
It's unbelievable. So today we're going to kind of give you guys a how-to on to sell a classic car, because you would think it's common sense.
It's not.
I think that's one thing.
Common sense ain't common, Jack.
It ain't common no more. It is lacking in this world.
Thomas Paine is rolling around in his grave. He wrote Common Sense.
I know. I knew that guy.
Okay.
That's my history major coming out in right there. I love it. So anyway, stick with us today because we're going to show you a few just simple, hey, things you might do, things you may, oh, that's a good idea, or you go, yeah, no kidding, we're doing that too. But it is shocking when we go to find cars and go look at cars for sale, the condition that they're in from the pictures, and then what they're, I'm like, look at this thing. Clean your stuff up. It makes a big difference.
Yeah.
So stick with us. Watch this.
Boom. Things you're probably going to need. You're going to need a shop vac because you got to get clean. You got to vacuum all the nooks and crannies. Gonna have to have clean glass, people. We're gonna fill this full of nice suds and buckets. What's that song? Let the suds in the bucket and the clothes hanging on the line.
Let the suds in the bucket and the clothes hanging out on the line.
Fill that full of water. We got tape measure. I don't think that's helpful in this situation. We got some cleaning products and obviously some clean towels, because you can't clean with a dirty towel.
All right, first things first, just a good shop vac. If you don't have a shop vac, go down, take your ride down to the local car wash. Some of those places now are free, so you can get it done there and just vacuum the thing out. Just spend 10, 15 minutes. It makes all the difference in the world, man. So clean, vacuum out the old vehicle for sale.
Free soap. Or might not be free, it's probably from a garage sale, but still. Soap.
All right, so we gave old Seaside here just a good scrubbing all over. Now we're going to dry it with a nice soft terry cloth towel. Then you can go back and see some spots that might you may need a little tar and bug remover or something like that to make everything just sparkle a little bit better. But as you can see, it's looking a lot better already. Okay, that top's really popping a little bit. I'm very happy about that. Okay, one of the areas that people really forget about, and it's the door jamb area. So just getting it clean, make sure there's no dirt, cobwebs, leaves and junk in your door jamb area around the door frame. Those are little areas like that too. Just a little bit of detail will go a long way with you. So keep that in mind too. All right, there it is right there. Tough stuff. And a good microfiber. That you can just put on everything. Just clean, don't put it on glass, but you can clean vinyl, plastic, your seats, cloth with it too. I love that stuff. Doesn't stain. It doesn't do any good on glass. It kind of smears a little bit, but it's a very good clean thing. The old tough stuff, that stuff's been around forever. I guess you can still get it, I hope. fabric, carpet, and vinyl. Deep cleaning, man, you can't beat that. So then we give everything a nice little good, just rub down with that, so you don't have any dust or anything like that. Fingerprints from when you're working on the bus or your car or something like that too. You want to show all that stuff be gone too. Now we're looking really good. Now we're going to use some glass cleaner, streak free. Windex is terrible. This is much better. It's an aerosol, and again, you want to have a good microfiber cloth. Give your windows that final nice good shine. But you can see this thing's really looking good in here. Really cleaning up nice. I like it. That's what it's all about. Make it presentable. You want to make things look good, and that's what we're trying to do here, okay? All right, would you look at that shine? That window is clean. I like it. All right, so we get a good vacuum. We washed it really good. Cleaned the windshield. Cleaned all the upholstery, all the hard plastic parts, vinyl, everything with tough stuff. Now, a lot of people come in and they Armor All or bright white the tires or bleach white the tires. I don't like that stuff at all. It's not good for the tires, both of them. The bleach white browns up the tires, and the Armor All will allude to cracking. I'm just going to let nature take its course on the tires. We're going to come back here. I'm going to just make sure that this particular vehicle has hubcaps. So I'll clean the hubcaps off really good on these. But I am not going to dress the tires. I'm not a fan of that. You can be, but I just don't think it's a good thing from that standpoint. But that's personal preference. All right, so once you got a good shine on those hubcaps or wheels, I'm going to come back with a microfiber and just check out any spots that I might have missed. Get everything really just, perhaps a few drips that might be lingering, few corners that might be missed along that line. So you just want to get everything good and shiny. Make sure you don't have anything on your chrome. If you got chrome on your bumpers or something like that, just a nice, thorough attention to detail. That's all it takes. And just a little bit. I know a lot of people aren't geared that way, but if you put a little bit of time in it, it'll pay off for you. Okay? Just a little bit of time. You don't have to go crazy, anything like that. But just giving it a little bit of love here and there, it'll pay off for you. You'll get a better value on your sale. And I mean, you're selling your car for a reason. You want to make money, or you need the money, or it's time to go, or whatever it is. But that's kind of the whole point going on this. Now comes the part taking the pictures. You want to have good pictures. You want to have a good location. You want good lighting. That's another part. So once you get everything nice and clean, then you want to go ahead and try to find a good spot for your picture. So that's where we're headed to now, the picture location. Vanagons are so nice. If you're ever thinking about taking the tribe cross country, you can't beat the Seaside Family Truckster. Oh man! All right, so Jake, what we did now is we took some pictures, and I take about 100 pictures, and
then
then
blue tape on for the pictures.
Oh wow! It match. I don't know why that's for. See, detail. This is actually, it's a pretty nice van again.
Super clean. Man.
It is super clean, Westy. It really is. But you could look at this thing. We've gone through it mechanically. as good as we're gonna get it, and for now, you know. And then it's clean. That's the thing that people just do not do. I mean, we can go take pictures of that Scirocco that we just bought. It's got a concrete block in it. Who knows why? Might be holding dead bodies or something. I don't know. But it's just disgusting. And you know, if you clean stuff up, you're going to get more money for it. You know, that's generally the case. So, again, thanks for joining us today. Just a few little pointers on cleaning your cars, getting things done if you're going to sell something. And then how do you deal with from a money standpoint? Here's my thought. Cash talks, BS walks.
Technically, he walked. Is that BS?
We want to say, check us out at All Metric Garage, because what do we have new?
Oh, we're gonna have a whole bunch of new shirts that are coming out. It's gonna be race specific type shirts.
Oh, nice. Go fast stuff.
Yeah, and then some cool like goon style. There's a new shirt coming out.
Yeah.
Martin's heading up this whole thing. Martin's the creative one of all this bunch.
That's a fact.
But we want to make sure that that everybody knows that we got some shirts going on. We're gonna do some discounts. We're still waiting on the giveaway, the $100 credit.
We're giving away $100.
Well, $100 worth of store credit.
Nice.
Yep.
Am I eligible?
You are eligible. No, you're not.
What does it take to win?
Buy a $15 pack, and that is all 4 stickers plus an All Metric Garage. You get 5 stickers total, shipped for like $15. And then you're entered into a drawing to get $100 worth of store credit and free shipping on that also.
Holy smokes, that's a good deal, half the price.
It is a good deal.
There you go. Look, so buy some Merc. VW Life. VW Life Fuchsia's shirts.
Oh, look at this.
Look at that.
action.
Wow.
Woo.
Fancy.
What do you got going on here?
Look at here. Look at that.
Some
Ooh.
TJK.
Some TJK action, baby.
Yeah.
There you go. So make sure you check us out at All Metric Garage, everybody. It's a lot of fun. It helps support the channel.
It supports everything right now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Times are tough.
Times are real tough. Eggs got me.
Eggs got you down, boy. I've been telling you better raise some chickens.
That's actually not a bad idea.
It is a good idea.
Yeah, right.
So anyway, thank you guys. Check us out, www.allmetricgarage.com. We got all kinds of stuff. Make sure you check us out there because we got some good stuff.
Yes, we do. All Metric Garage. Make it happen, guys.